Imagine writing emails, documents, and even ChatGPT prompts 3 times faster without touching your keyboard, because that's exactly what UseVoicy is trying to do in 2026. And honestly, it's one of the most interesting AI productivity tools I've tested recently. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Voicy, what makes it different from normal voice typing apps, and whether it's actually worth using for daily work or content creation. So first, what exactly is UseVoicy? It's basically an AI speech-to-text tool that lets you dictate text with your voice across almost any app or website. Instead of typing manually, you press a shortcut key, start speaking naturally, and the AI converts your speech into properly formatted text with punctuation and grammar already cleaned up automatically. The setup process is pretty simple. You go to the website, download the app for your operating system, and sign in with your account. One thing I like immediately is that it supports Windows, Mac, Linux, and browser extensions, which is honestly rare because many competitors only focus on Apple devices. After installation, you give microphone permissions and choose your preferred shortcut key. Once that's done, you can basically use voice typing anywhere. For example, if I open Google Docs and press the shortcut, I can start speaking naturally like this, and the text appears almost instantly on the screen with commas and periods added automatically. The same thing works in Gmail, Notion, Slack, ChatGPT, WhatsApp Web, and even inside most text boxes online. One of the best features is definitely the automatic punctuation and grammar correction, because older dictation software usually makes your writing look messy and robotic. UseVoicy tries to make the final text sound more natural without needing a lot of editing afterward. Another useful feature is multilingual support, since the app supports more than 50 languages. So if you switch between languages while working or studying, that can save a lot of time. I also noticed that the interface is extremely simple, which is good for beginners because there aren't too many confusing settings. Now let's talk about the real experience and what users online are saying. Most people seem impressed by the speed and convenience, especially writers, students, remote workers, and people who hate typing long paragraphs. Some users even said they now use dictation daily for brainstorming ideas and replying to messages faster. Linux users also seem surprisingly happy because very few AI dictation apps support Linux properly. But there are definitely some downsides too. The biggest concern is privacy, because the app uses cloud processing instead of fully offline transcription, meaning your voice data gets processed online. For casual users, that may not matter much, but for businesses or sensitive work, that could be important. Another issue is that there's still no full mobile app experience, so the platform feels more desktop-focused right now. And like all speech-to-text tools, accuracy still depends on speaking clearly and having a decent microphone. If your internet is slow or your background is noisy, the experience can become less reliable. Overall, though, UseVoicy honestly looks like a solid AI dictation tool in 2026, and one of the better options if you want fast, cross-platform voice typing without a complicated setup process. It probably won't replace professional transcription software for every user, but for everyday productivity, writing, note-taking, and brainstorming, it seems genuinely useful. If you want to test AI voice dictation and save time typing every day, this is definitely worth trying for yourself. And if you've already tested UseVoicy, let me know your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest AI tutorials and reviews in 2026.